Let's play Friday Night Funkin'. Good idea. Oh! What the blue screen of that? Oh my goodness! Okay, let me maybe restart. It's okay. Huh? Oh, why the blue screen of that again? How can you play the FNF? Why? Okay, maybe restart. I guess that can not get work at all. Please, can you do it? Oh, for a third time, the blue screen of that. I turned on my computer. What? The yellow screen of death? Yellow screen of death? Oh, come on. Let's eat the tomatoes. Okay, let's eat tomatoes. Alright, this is delicious. Tastes so delicious. Yummy, yummy, yum. Oh no, this is yellow screen of death. Wake up. Delicious. Alright, let's eat. Hey, look! The orange screen of death! Now we're mainly screen of death. Why you hit me? Huh? Why you did? Why you delete you do it? I told you. No. Why you? Break it up. Hey, you help me to win the time? Okay, let me sit here. You're lucky at me. Oh no! That's gonna make me angry. That's so louder. Oh no! This got be good. Now it's gonna recipe of death. That can't be good. That was louder. That's so louder. Oh no, that's recipe of death. Maybe I delete them. What? You make it angry. Let's make the burger. No, that was. Yeah. Huh? Why did she yell? What did you do? My ears are hurt. Oh no! The black screen of that and the text red. I will make it. Not gonna work. This perfect. This is not gonna work. Bravo! Oh no! Oh, let's make you angry. Let's turn here. I make it for you. Yellow, blue. I eat this. Yellow, orange, green. Alright. It's not gonna work. Make it. This is not gonna work. Okay, let's go back. 1 minute. Maybe not. Oh no! Sorry, guys. The Wizard's 10 is broken. Sorry, the Wizard's 10. What did they do? Oh man! I really hope that. Alright. Don't worry. I definitely go 8-11. Oh, don't cry. I'm gonna confuse 11.